Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield into the unknown bug error. Okay, first things first, one of the most common and effective solution is to use the fast travel feature. Just simply leave Procyon tree and travel to another star system. Wait in game for the quest marker to reappear. This often refreshes the quest, allowing you to continue your adventure. For our PC player, here's a quick workaround using console commands. Press the tilde key to open the command prompt. Type then set stage 0016089600 and hit enter. This command can force the quest to move forward, bypassing the bug. However, if the bug persists, it's time to seek external help. Online forums like Reddit or the Steam community often have experienced players who can provide guidance or even mod-based fixes. So, don't hesitate to ask for assistance. Stay vigilant also for official Starfield patch updates. Game developers frequently release patches to address bugs and improve gameplay, because sometimes the bug may be resolved through an official game update. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield into the unknown bug error. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.